Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next arrangement. Friends, this arrangement is arranging persons around a square table. And one more thing friends, this question was asked in IBPS Clerks Prelims 2020 friends. Okay friends, see first information 8 friends F, J, K, M and P, S and B are sitting around a square table. Friends, here I am considering two cases. It is always better to consider two cases so that you can get quick completion of the arrangement. You cannot store too many things in the mind. If you consider only one case, you need to store too many things in the mind. So instead of that, you better consider two cases so that you can easily complete the arrangement. Okay friends, see 8 persons F, J, K, M and P, S and B are sitting around a square table. 4 of them are sitting at the corners and the remaining 4 are sitting at the middle side of the table. See friends, the person sitting at the corners faces away from the center. The persons sitting at the corners are facing away from the center, and the persons sitting at the middle of the side of the table are facing the center. This is the center of the table are facing the center. Okay friends, now let us consider the core information. F sits at the middle side of the table. F sits at the middle side of the table. You can consider anywhere. F, you can take F here or here or here or here. For the convenience sake, I am taking here. So, F sits at the middle of the table. Next, N sits at the immediate left of V. So right now we cannot compile this information. Now let us see the next sentence, next statement. Two persons sit between F and J. Two persons sit between F and J. So J can be placed either here. Two persons placed between F and J, or you can place here also. So in the second case, I am considering J here. So two persons are between F and J. Okay, friends. Next one. Now you can take this. V sits at the immediate right of J. V sits at the immediate right of J. So here then V comes to this place. V sits at the immediate right of J. So here in this case, we will come to this place. We will come to this place, immediate right of J. Then coming to the first statement, N sits at the immediate left of V. N sits to the immediate left of V. So here is V. So immediate left means this man is facing the center. So left that side. So N sits to the immediate left of V. In this case, N comes to this place. V is facing center. So right side that side and left this side. So N will be here. And next, three persons sit between S and N. Three persons sit between S and N. So if N is here, then S will be here. Three persons, either this side or this side. So three persons sit between N and S means S will come to this place. In this case, S come to this place. Three persons sit between N and S. Next one, M is an immediate neighbor of S. M is an immediate neighbor of S. So M is here. M is here. If you take here, M is an immediate neighbor of S. Then M can be here or M can be here also. These two people are neighbors of immediate neighbors of S. Now let us go to the next statement and decide the place of M. M is not an immediate neighbor of J. So M is not an immediate neighbor of J. So this case is wrong. This case is wrong. Here M is neighbor of J. But according to the question, according to the statement, M is not an immediate neighbor of J. So here also M cannot be here. M cannot be here. If you place M, he becomes the immediate neighbor of J. So M must be here. And let us see the next statement. P faces inside. P faces, this figure is wrong. So P faces inside means P will come to this place. P will come to the only inside, only one gap is there. P comes to this place. And the remaining last person, who is that person? F is over, J is over, M, N is over, P, S is over, V. V is also over. Then who else is remaining? F, J, K, F, K. K is remaining. So K will come to this place. So this is your final arrangement, friends. Okay, friends. Thank you. Friends, once you make the arrangement, you can easily answer the questions that are followed. Okay, friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.